Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to scan barcode Wi-Fi on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open the settings. Now in the settings page, tap on the network and internet options, the first option, and now go to the Wi-Fi. And after, if you wanna scan the barcode of Wi-Fi, you just have to go to this add network first. And after, we'll see the scanner icon here beside the network name. You just have to tap on it. Now you can scan the QR code or the barcode here. Use the scanner, yeah guys. It's use the back camera like this. So you just have to adjust for the barcode in this frame, and it will connect automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to scan barcode Wi-Fi on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.